welcome back to my channel. Today's video is based off my eyeballs. It's been a long time no see. I missed you guys. I miss doing this. It has been a minute. If you are on Instagram and YouTube a lot, you will see blue is a very popular color right now. It's weird to me, but I can't help but like it. So I thought I would create my own kind of version of something. I had a lot of inspiration, which I will show you later on in the video, because I have just seen so many looks that involve blue. Blue's a hard color to work with, I gotta be honest. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the video, so let's get into it. Okay, so I just filmed a video on how I do my eyebrows, and I was just kind of showing how I do my eyebrows. So today I am going to be doing makeup inspired by all of these looks, and if I can somehow show all these looks, that'd be freaking great. I am going to be using the color blue, and I don't know about you, but growing up I was always told that blue is like a hooker color and that it's a no-no. You don't use blue. But I'm gonna use blue today. Blue has just been, it's in right now. It is like a color to go for. So this makeup look, I am using a lot of inspiration from a ton of different people that I love and love to hear from and see work from, and so in some way, and so I want my blue. So I filmed this video once before and I hated it. Like I filmed this video once already, and then I filmed like I did like a Smile Direct Hair Club review, and I hated both of them. I got done and I was just I wasn't happy with how my makeup had turned out. I wasn't happy with the quality of my video or anything like that. So I've been kind of sitting on it for a couple weeks because I was just like, you know, maybe it's not as bad as I thought. And I went back and watched it, and I could just tell that my heart wasn't in it, and I don't want to even be doing this if I'm not really into it. It's just like wasting everyone's time, because I'm doing this because I'm passionate about makeup and stuff like that, and so I feel like if I'm into it, you're gonna be into it. So I'm not gonna sit here and blow smoke out of my ass and try and make a video that doesn't seem like I even want to be here. I don't know. But anyway, so I'm trying this again, and I'm really excited. Alright, folks. To start off, I get my hair out of my damn eyes. Darn eyes. Okay, so I'm gonna be using two palettes, right? So to start this bad boy off, I'm gonna be using the Morphe M411 brush. I'm gonna be going in with this kind of yellowy shade right here, and I'm just gonna be using that as a transition. Okay. A lot of you have probably been wondering where I am, or what I've been doing, or you probably don't care at all, because who cares? But I have, ever since, what month is it even? It's June. It is June. What have I been doing? Ever since, like, I think the last time I posted a video was January. Yeah, January. Anyway, but then in February, Kevin and I went on a really long trip to Arizona and kind of just out west in general. And so we were gone forever, and we were gone for literally a month. It was amazing. Anyway, so graduated, did all that crap. So I just have been so busy, and trust me, I've been trying to film for a very long time, and it's been really hard. But anyway, this look I'm going for today is like a summery, beachy kind of pop of blue. fun. Yeah. Oh, hell yeah. I haven't used this brush yet. But this is the M518. It's sexy. I'm looking for a color that's a little kind of like this orangey, but I gotta look. Let me study this. Okay, we gonna mix palettes. We gonna mix. So I'm gonna try this one here and add that. Stay up, but I want to keep a lot of this color on the outside area. So I'm gonna pick up a little bit of that orangey, whatever shade that is. Just a little bit. Cap off your excess. You don't need it falling on your face. Would it help if I zoomed in? Oh god, look at those fine lines. Look at that texture. Okay, so I've kind of started to blend this inwards, but now that it's like getting a little bit more vibrant, I'm gonna keep it mostly on the outer. I'm a little scared because it's blue, but I'm gonna take this matte blue right here. Ooh, look at that beauty. I didn't even look at that one. Wow. I might have to come, I think I might use that. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna go in with that navy. She a beauty. Okay, I'm gonna actually go in with this M506 brush. It's a little bit fluffier, it's not so dense. Since this is such a deep color and it's gonna be, there's gonna be a lot of fallout, I'm gonna get some powder and put it, I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna just take my damp beauty blender and my flat edge here and just dip it into my loose setting powder. Okay, so now I am going to attempt to go in with this beautiful, sparkly, shimmery blue. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, this is tricky. Blues are tricky. They can get messy quick. So, fair warning. I gotta kind of do some evening out because I wish I would have done this eye like how I did this eye, but this was a trial and error kind of deal, so I'm just gonna kind of buff out this area here. Okay, now that I look like a damn ostrich, try and get rid of some of this excess powder. And I'm just using my R10 brush by Morphe. Dude, is anyone else stoked that Maddie Poppy won American Idol? Like, I was so giddy and like ridiculous after she won. Okay, so I'm gonna be going back in with that original kind of yellowish, mustardy shade out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm gonna be doing my under eye. Alright, now I'm going back in with that kind of orangey shade. Gotta be honest, this blue shadow in here is not the easiest to work with. Okay, so this eye look is pretty well complete. I'm gonna add some highlight to my inner corners and such. I'm going to add some lashes and do some face stuff, and we'll be right back. Alright, so I stuck on my lashes. They're very dramatic. Yeah. I'm going to be using Processco Pop. I'm going to set my face using Morphe's Continuous Setting Spray. Alright you guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it. It is dramatic, summery, sunset, pop of color, blue. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and I appreciate every single one of you that comes and watches me and supports me and compliments me on the work that I put into my videos. So happy summer everyone, and thanks again. Bye!